On today's video, we're going to tie a drop shot rig in under 2 minutes. Let's get started. First, we're going to put our hook facing up through the tag end of our line. At this point, we can create whatever sized leader we want from the weight. In this case, we're picking about 6 to 7 inches leader. At this point, you're going to pull a little extra line through so you can create a loop over the hook. If you notice, that line isn't going through the hook, just looped over. At this point, we take our hook and you're going to just turn it through that loop. You'll notice it'll create some little twists in the line there by your hook. That is what you want to see. You're going to continue doing that 3 or 4 more times, ideally 5 times through that little loop you created is perfect. It's going to create 5 stacks on each side. In my opinion, 5 on each is kind of the perfect number in this case. If you notice, I'm going to grab each side of the line and pull tight, creating these perfect coils on each side of the hook eye. That is how you know you've done it right. At this point in time, you now have the hook installed on your line. A fish can thrash and turn and do whatever he wants, but as long as you pull straight, that hook is going to be perfect facing up every single time. Now let's add the weight. Alrighty, so we transferred our knot over to an actual fishing rig here, and now we are going to take our drop shot weight and install it. So if you notice, the weight has a little hole there with a tapered clip, and what we're going to do is put that line through the hole and move it up into that clip, which locks the line in place. Now, what you'll notice with 4 and 6 pound test, the lighter diameters, sometimes it can slip through that clip. So what you want to do is just loop it around the weight and just do it one more time through the clip. And what that'll do is that'll just kind of give it some extra security. That way your line doesn't slip at all. At this point, we have a finished drop shot rig. All we have to do is cut that tag end and you are ready to put on a worm and go fish. If you guys learned something from this video, you're also gonna love these two up here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you guys next time on Humbug Videos.